Is it possible to increase the production of crops whilst at the same time drastically cutting down inputs such as money, labor, and time? The answer is a resounding yes. Drones are leading agriculture to become one of the most technologically advanced industries, and if you haven't adopted drones in your farming yet, then you are missing out. Our mission at InnovAero is to help farmers keep track of their crops' health and collect the quality and amount of data needed for precision crop management in a timely and efficient manner. Our drone is capable of carrying a load of 30 liters of liquid designed to perform autonomous spraying of approximately 4,000 to 6,000 square meters in under 10 minutes, 50 times faster when compared to spraying manually. By attaching a highly advanced sensor to our drone, farmers can easily identify which areas of their farms are sprawling with green vegetation and what is not. Our drone is also excellent in monitoring huge expanses of farmland, taking into account the characteristics of the terrain to further optimize farmers' planting decision. Mapping can also be easily done, allowing farmers to compare their farms' growth on a weekly or monthly basis. This way, time-lapse visuals can be created to highlight patterns and how crops change over time. All of these features is to allow farmers to gather more data on their crops to help them make informed decisions based on economic and environmental factors, whilst at the same time drastically saving labor, money, and time. For more information, please visit our website at www.innovaero.co and our social media at InnovAeroCo. InnovAero, enhancing the future with UAV innovation.